A very good afternoon from the city of Palermo here in the deep south of Italy. I'm staying here for one night. Tomorrow I'll hop on a train all the way across Italy, all the way to Milan. Follow me if you don't do already. Castle at the sea. Let's have a look. We have to manage this crazy traffic here because it's pretty bad. I guess the castle is closed. So the southern part of Italy isn't the richest area in Europe. Generally speaking, you can say the further down you go south in Europe, the worse it gets. It's quite okay here. They had a nice train. Most of the trains in the outskirts of Europe with that have been subsidized though by the European Union, so I could see my tax money here at work, which is really nice. This means progress. Let's have a look at all the ships here. All ships, yachts and fishing vessels. Reminds me of the marina of Singapore. Only with less money, I guess, here. Working hard. Something sunken down. They put it in a layer of something. Fiberglass. Of course, this is the old wall of the castle. It's closed. The wall is exposed there. You can't really see it. You can get in, but I won't. It's probably trespassing. So I have to do it with this. Here's more of that outer wall. Fenced off, so can't make the mistake of walking in, which is good. But then I true transport. That's a service gas station. The dude's right over there. I have one night here. Tomorrow, just after lunch, we'll have to take a train. Before that, it's time to head into the city center. Something to eat, I guess. I forgot to draw the zebra crossing here. But we'll go with the flow. So, you probably don't want to know, but I'm still letting you know where I stay tonight. It's behind this door. Right up there's my room on the corner. Once again, pedestrian streets don't work, right? This street is pedestrian only. Look how busy it is on a Thursday afternoon. Fresh night. Of course, all the tourist stuff is here, but a lot of restaurants and a lot of old buildings. Okay, where to go? That looks good, that looks good, that looks good. All looks good. Which one to pick? It's all pedestrian zone here.